Very good to all. The Masters Coaching Center is back with the another video. The video is about exercise 8.2 in the trigonometry. In the previous video we have discussed about the 8.1. We solve all the problems in 8.1 with the help of the trigonometric ratios and Pythagoras theorem. In this exercise 8.2 we are going to solve all the problems. How we have solved in the 8.1? We have solved all the problems in 8.1 with the help of the trigonometric ratios and Pythagoras theorem. In 8.2 we are going to solve all the problems with the help of the trigonometric table. This is the trigonometric table. With the help of this trigonometric table and to solve these 8.2 questions we have to aware of the trigonometric table, and we have very good knowledge how to calculate the values of the in the formulas in the question. See, in this video first of all I am going to discuss how to learn easily the trigonometric table. See, in this trigonometric table we have to know sine. We have to know sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60 and sine 90. If you know only sine values, then it is easily we can learn all these cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta, cot theta. So we have to learn the sine theta. What is the value of sine 0? The value of sine 0 is 0. Sine 30, 1 by 2. Sine 45, 1 by root 2. Sine 60, root 3 by 2. Sine 90, 1. If you know the sine values, then we can easily write the values of cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. See, this is the sine theta. What is sine 0? 0, 1 by 2, 45, 1 by root 2, 60, root 3 by 2, sine 90, 1. If we reciprocal, if you reverse the value of sine theta, this is the value of cos theta. See, what is the value of sine 90? 1. So here cos 0 is 1. What is the value of sine 60? The value of sine 60 is cos 30. We are simply, this is the values, we are simply reversing the values. See, we are placing 1 here, we are placing root 3 by 2 here, we are placing 1 by root 2 here, we are placing 1 by 2 here, we are placing 0 here. We are simply reversing the values of sine values into cos values. So if you know the sine values, it is easy to learn the cos values. How to learn the tan values? How to learn the tan values? See, we have one formula that tan theta is equals to sine theta by cos theta. See, what is tan 0? Sine 0 by cos 0. What is sine 0? 0. What is cos 0? 1. 0 by anything? 0. The value of tan 0 is 0. How to find the tan 30 value? See, tan 30 is equals to sine 30 by cos 30. What is the value of sine 30? 1 by 2. What is the value of cos 30? Root 3 by 2. We are simply, and the value of tan 30 is 1 by 3. Value of tan 30 is 1 by 3. So with the help of sine theta and cos theta we are finding tan theta. How to find cosecant theta? How to find cosecant theta? See, cosecant theta is reciprocal of sine theta. See, sine theta is equals to 1 by cosecant theta, like that. Cos theta is equals to 1 by secant theta, and tan theta is equals to 1 by cot theta. See, I am going to discuss here. Sine 0 is equals to 1 by cosecant theta. If I keep 0, I would like to keep here 0 also. The value of sine 0 is 0. 1 by 0, it is not defined. I place a not defined, like that. If you know the sine theta, sine 0, 0, sine 30, 1 by 2, sine 45, 1 by root 2, sine 60, root 3 by 2 sin 91. If we reciprocal the values, we will find the cos values. How to find the tan values? Tan theta is equals to sin theta by cos theta. How to find the cosecant value? Cosecant is equals to 1 by sin. How to find the secant value? Secant is equals to 1 by cos. How to find the cot value? Cot is equals to 1 by tan. This is how we will find the values of all the trigonometric table with the help of 1, that is sin theta. Now we are going to solve the question in the 8.2 exercise. The first question is evaluate the following. Evaluate the following: sin 60 into cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60. I am going to write given that sin 60 into cos 30 plus sin 30 into cos 60. What is sin 60 value? We know that sin 60 is equals to root 3 by 2. What is cos 30? Cos 30 root 3 by 2. What is sin 30? 1 by 2. What is cos 60? 1 by 2. Root 3 into root 3, that is equals to 3. 2 into 2, that is equals to 4. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2, 4. Therefore, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is equals to 1. See, how 3 by 4 and 1 by 4 is equals to, we are saying 1 is, see, simple. Here it is 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. The LCM of 4 and 4 is 4. 4, how many times we will calculate for 4? 1. This 1 into 3, 3. Plus again, here 4 into 4, 1. 1 into 1, 1. That is equals to 4 by 4. That is equals to 1. So, this is the required answer for this question. Sin 60 into cos 30 plus sin 60 into cos 60, the value of this question is 1. And this is the second question, very simple question. See, given 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. What is the value? See, if we are simply writing these two here, what is the value of tan 45? The value of tan 45 is 1. We are writing that one, and we are mentioning the square simply here. That's all, simple. See, tan 45 we will mention 1. Tan square 45 we will mention, what is tan 45? 1, and we will place this square here. If it is like this, tan 60 is root 3. What about tan square 60? We will write, what is tan 60? We will write tan 60 here, and we will place this square here. Then the value became 3. Like that, whenever the square is there, simply we will write the value here, whatever the value. If it is tan 45, we write tan 45 value. If it is cos 30, we write cos 30 root 3 by 2 value. If it is sin 60, we will write root 3 by 2. Then after that, we will mention that square. If here is square, we are mentioning this square. If it is cube, we will mention the cube. If it is the power 4, we will mention the power. First of all, we have to place the values, what is the exact value. Simple, that's all. Here I am placing that tan 45 is equals to 1, and I am placing the square simply here. That's all, simple. Now, what is the value of cos 30? The value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2, and I am mentioning this square simply here. That's all, simple. Then what is the value of sin 60? The value of sin 60 is the value of cos 30. No, that root 3 by 2 whole square. Then 1 square 1, 2 into 1 2 plus root 3 by 4 minus root 3 square by 4. Then 2 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. I will simply cancel this plus 3 by 4 and minus 3 by 4. Then the required answer is 1. This is the required answer for the second question. The question is 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. The value of this question is 2. In 8.2 exercise, in the first Roman, we already completed 2 questions. This is the third question. In this third question, besides of knowing the trigonometric table, we have to know the rationalization also. In this question, in the starting of the video, we have discussed that 8.2, in the 8.2 exercise, besides knowing the trigonometric table, we have to know the rationalization. See how we are going to mention the rationalization theorem here in this question. Now I am going to substitute the value of cos 45. The value of cos 45 is 1 by 2. The value of secant 30. The value of secant 30 is 2 by root 3. The value of cosecant 30 is 2. For my convenience and for the calculation part easy going, I will keep 1 here. Now I am going to do the LCM in this denominator. I will mention the numerator part like this only, 1 by root 2. I will mention like that only. The LCM of root 3 and 1 is root 3. Now see, so many people doesn't know how to take, what to take here and what to take here. See, I am mentioning this root 3 here and I will keep circle here and I will write this part here. If you have to get root 3 in the RHS, what to multiply the root 3? We have to multiply root 3 with 1. No, except 1, no number in the mathematical number system we will get root 3. So with this 1 we have to multiply this 2. 1 into 2, 2. Then what we have to get here? See, this 1 we have to keep here. We have to place some circle and we have to keep root 3 here. 1 ను దేంతో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే రూట్ 3 వస్తుందంటే 1 ను రూట్ 3తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే రూట్ 3 వస్తుంది. ఈ రూట్ 3ని we have to calculate the here. Root 3 into 2 we will get 2 root 3. This is how we have to take the LCM. This is how we have to take the LCM for all the questions in the trigonometric, not only in the trigonometric, wherever we want, we will take like this LCM. See, now this will become 1 by root 3, 1 by root 2 plus 2 root 3 by root 3. We have already know that I will take A is equals to 1, root 2 is equals to B. Then this entire part as C and root 3 as D. We know that A by B by C by D, that is equals to A by B into D by C. The D will come in the numerator. Okay, how it is going to change? It is going to change like this. See, 1 by 2 as usual. Then this root 3 will come in the numerator. Root 3 by this part will come like this only. 2 plus 2 root 3. Now I am going to multiply root 3, root 2 with this part. 1 into root 3, root 3. See, here the calculation part is very important. Root 2 into 2, 2 root 2. Then root 2 into 2 root 2. We have to multiply the roots, not the value with the roots. See, I am simply keeping the root 2 here and I am simply keeping the value of 2 here and I am placing the root. Then I will multiply 2 into 3, that is equals to 6. This is how we have to multiply. We see here, root 2 into 2 I am not multiplying, I am simply placing 2 root 2. But here I am multiplying the root 2 root 3, root 2 into root 3 root 6, and I am simply placing the 2 here. Now we will get 2 root 3, 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. This is what we will get. Now we have to rationalize. What is the meaning of rationalization? The meaning of rationalization is, up to my knowledge, how I will solve the problems with rationalization means, see, I will simply keep multiplication symbol here. I will write this 2 root 2 here. I will write this 2 root 3 here. Like that only. I will write 2 root 2, 2 root 2. What is the symbol here? The symbol plus. The rationalization means the opposite symbol we are placing in numerator and denominator. This is what rationalization is all about. This is all simple. What we are getting with this help, we are getting 3 root 3, 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. Rationalization means we will write as it is the denominator into 2 root 2, 2 root 6. 2 root 2, 2 root 6, and I am changing the positive sign into negative sign. This is simple. This is what rationalization. Now we have to solve this question with the help of our calculation. How good we are in calculations. See how I am going to solve. See, root 3 into 2 root 2. What I have told? I will simply write 2 here, and root 3 into root 2, root 6. Minus 2, I will write 2 here, root 3 into root 6, root 18, simple, that's all. Then this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. The formula of a plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. This is a, this is b, that is equals to 2 root 2 whole square minus 2 root 6 whole square. I am writing here, I am thinking 2 as common in the numerator. I will take 2 common, I will write root 6 minus root 8 here. Then see how to calculate this part. This part is like this, 2 root 2 whole square. I will give the square themselves, that is, I will give the square to 2 square, that is 2 square. I will give the 2 to this root 2. Then 2 to the 4. I will cancel square and 2 into 2. The value here, the value 2 root 2 whole square is 8. Minus, like that I am going to solve the second part, that is 2 root 6 whole square, that is equals to 2 root 6 whole square. I will give this 2 and 6 whole square. 2 to the 4. I will cancel this square and root 6, that is equals to 24. That is equals to 24. Then two root 6 minus root 18 by minus 16. 2 1s are 2 8s are. Then we will get root 6 minus root 8 by minus 8. What I will say, I will take minus common in the numerator. I will take minus common in the numerator, that is equals to minus by minus 8. I will cancel minus and minus. Then I have to change somewhat in the numerator. In the numerator we have root 18 minus root 6 by 8. I will write root 8 as 9 into 2 into root 6 by 8. I will take 9, I will write 9 as 3 root 2 minus root 6 by 8. This is the required answer. You have some doubt how I write 18. I am writing root 18 into root 9 by 2, root 9 into 2. Then how I am writing this root 9 into 3? See, this is the small calculation. See, root 18 I am writing root 9 into 2. I am giving the root themselves. What is the value of root 9? 3 into 2. This is how we will get here. This is how in the third question. It is simple to mentioning the values of trigonometric table here, and the main thing and the main task in the third question is how to solve the question through rationalization. This is how to solve the question is rationalization. We have to know the rationalization process. We have to substitute the formula of a plus b into a minus b, that is equals to a square into a square minus b square. And third thing, we have to very thorough, we have to take the minus common here. This is how this see trigonometry is not only about the simply mentioning the values, the trigonometry table in the question. It is all about how good we are in the calculation part. This is all about the calculation part. If we simply forgot 1 minus, the answer we will get the wrong answer. The trigonometric 8.2 is all about the knowing the trigonometric table. At the same time, we have to very good in the calculation part, okay, and we have to good in the substituting in the rationalization system. And this is the fourth question. In this fourth question, they have given sin 30 plus tan 45 minus cosecant 60 by secant 30 plus cos 60 plus cos 45. What is sin 30? Sin 30 is 1 by 2 plus. What is tan 45? Tan 45 is 1. But for our convenience to solve the problem easily, I will write 1 by 1 minus. What is cosecant 60? The cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3 divided by, what is secant 30? Secant 30 is 2 by root 3 plus. What is cos 60? Cos 60 is 1 by 2 plus. What is cot 45? Cot 45 is 1. I will write 1 by 1. Now I have to do LCM in the numerator and denominator. The LCM of numerator is 2 root 2. See, very good, very easy. I am going to say again. I already said in the previous question how to take the LCM. In this question also I am saying LCM. See, this part I have to write here. What is there 2? I will write here. Then I will keep circle here. 2 ని దేంతో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 2 root 3 వస్తుంది. 2 ని రూట్ 3తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే మనకు 2 root 3 వస్తుంది. ఈ రూట్ 3ని దీంతో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి, అంటే 1తో. రూట్ 3 into 1 దట్ ఈస్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 3 ప్లస్ ఈ 1ని మనం ఇక్కడ పెట్టుకుంటాం. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న 2 root 3ని ఇవి ఇక్కడ పెట్టుకుంటాం. 1ని దేంతో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 2 root 3 వస్తుంది. 1ని 2 root 3తోనే మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. 2 root 3 into 1 2 root 3 మైనస్ ఇక్కడ ఏముంది రూట్ 3 ఇంటూ సర్కిల్, ఇక్కడ ఏముంది 2 root 2. రూట్ 3ని